Hello friends, this is my YouTube video about healthy pack for normal and dry skin. At first, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and click the bell icon. Now let's start the video. You will need half spoon raw turmeric paste, milk, 2 spoon chandan paste, 2 spoon honey for this healthy pack. Anti-inflammatory properties of raw turmeric can treat pores and keep skin calm. It can reduce acne. Milk has vitamin B, alpha hydroxy acids, calcium and other antioxidants. It can nourish skin cells from deep. It can cure acne and moisturize skin. Chandan paste can help to get rid from acne, scars and blackheads. Honey is naturally antibacterial and it is extremely moisturizing and soothing. For that, it can help to glow skin and great for acne treatment. At first, take half spoon raw turmeric paste, 2 spoon honey, 2 spoon chandan paste and milk. Then make a smooth paste. Now apply this pack to your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, wash it with normal water. Use this pack once in a day to get best result. This pack will make your skin glowy, acne, blackheads, scars free. It will give you a fine, beautiful look. Thank you for watching my video.